Hi YouTube, this is Sifti Bhatia from Gyanm and today I'm going to show you one way through which you can notch up your score in IELTS Speaking, and that is by using idioms. So we're going to look at the 5 most common idioms in the English language and how you can use them in sentences. So the first idiom that we're going to look at is an uphill task. This is used when you're trying to say that the task at hand is difficult. An example sentence for this can be, considering the unpredictable weather, it would be an uphill task to climb the peak. The second one is the opposite to the first one, which is a downhill task. So this is used when you want to say that the task is extremely easy. So the sentence can be, making Maggie is a downhill task, not just for me, but everyone in my country. The third idiom is again used when you want to show that the work is really easy, and that is a piece of cake. So an example sentence can be, scoring 7 bands in IELTS writing is not a piece of cake. That is actually true. The next one is a cup of tea. So this you will use when you want to describe an activity or a task which you're good at or you enjoy doing. An example of this can be, reading books is not my cup of tea, but listening music is. Okay, so the fifth most common idiom that we're going to look at is a burning issue. So this you will use when you want to refer to an issue which is trending nowadays or which is really popular nowadays. An example sentence can be, the matter of whether to spend money on space exploration or not is a burning issue nowadays. Alright, so these are the 5 most common and super easy idioms to use for your IELTS speaking. However, now the most important thing for you guys is to practice these idioms so you can make sentences using these and put them in the comment boxes down there, and we'll check them for you, let you know where you've made a blunder or whatever. So that's it for today. Thank you. All the best.